Hello friends, welcome back. How are you all? Friends, let's see what's the current situation of your person and what they are going to do next. Let's see that. See, definitely a page of cups. I am seeing your person is over emotional right now, very sensitive, and their heart have opened. You can say that their psychic abilities is also expanded. You can say that because of if you are doing inner work or some chakra, something like that, or shadow work, so definitely this is also showing result on your person. If you are in twin flame journey, both of your chakras are connected. You all know that. So a person is definitely coming into a heart space. I can say they are getting over emotional. You can say, or maybe the moon that has passed, because of that your person is getting emotional. You can say, eight of this is the eight of cups card. So definitely a person is moving away from the things that are not serving them. I'm telling from the third party, they are definitely moving away because in the last reading we have seen how badly the third party and your person had a major fights and arguments, and there was a tower movements in their life. So definitely I feel one of your mostly your person, I feel they have either left the house or they are not staying with the third person if they are in a committed relationship, or if they are already in only a relationship that was committed but not married. So I feel they have told them no and they have completely broken up with that person. I feel that way because they are moving away from that person. I'm wise counselor, I feel if they are in a committed relationship and a person wants to move out of this relationship, they are moving out of this relationship, consulting some counselors, maybe a marriage counselor or something like that. They are definitely consulting marriage counselors. So how to end this relationship, or there is nothing in this relationship, the counselor is telling the both of them that is that nothing is left in this relationship to move ahead. So though it's better to part ways. So I feel definitely a person and the third party are consulting counselors, or maybe some person who is good in their relationship, a friend or a family friend, they who is very good in handling relationship, that person is guiding your person. That's what possible. You can see again your person is so defensive right now. Same thing, the third party is throwing so much negativity on your person, so much toxicity is there in that relationship that person is not able to handle at all. They are not able to take those negative attacks of those person, and so they want to, they are very defensive at present. So that's why they are not able to see you, or they are not able to message you, because they are first trying to protect themselves from that third party. So they want to come out of this thing, all these things, and then they will be able to move towards you. Justice card is again coming, so I definitely feel they are going for a divorce or something like that. I'm definitely for sure, if they are for in a committed relationship, they are definitely going for a divorce. If they are not going, they are consulting marriage counselors, or they are consulting lawyers, and they want to come out of this relationship. That's for sure. If they are in a committed if they are not in a committed relationship, they are only having an affair or something like that. So what is right for you and your person, that is only going to happen, because Lord Shani always deals justice. They never do injustice with anyone. So if your person is meant to be in your life, that justice will be given to you for sure. The two of pentacles card is coming. A person actually they are juggling time, at what time they should take action actually, because in this is both the hands there is a clock. So I definitely feel the person is buying time. So they are juggling and they don't know at what time they should contact you, or what time they should part ways with this third party, because they are definitely parting ways, but they don't know whether it is the right time or not. So they are definitely juggling about something related to time only, because planning and see how the person is planning everything. They are planning everything right now. They want to take action. Just see how they are in a warrior mode, and their horse is also ready, and they have opened their charts and they are saying what next step they should take. So they are definitely consulting people, and they are planning out and chalking out everything what they should do. That's for sure. Your person is definitely planning out everything. Victory card, the garden and the gate. Just see your person is waiting for the gate to open, and they are waiting to be free bird. You can say that they want to break this relationship completely with the third party, and they want to break free. How see the birds are flying, they want to fly like that. So definitely that planning is going on with your person. The magician card is coming, magician and the mirror card is coming in the reverse. So now you and your person are not mirroring at present, both of you are not mirroring each other, but what is going on, a manifestation, what manifestation you and your person have right now, that is not manifesting right now, you can say that, because the card has come into reverse. The third chakra, Archangel Samuel is coming. So that, because manifestation card is coming in reverse, because the solar plexus chakra is not very active of you and your person. The courage that the person need, and that is not exactly there. They are taking action, but exactly that courage is not there, or they are having little bit of fear or some restriction. Something is bothering them for sure. So if when the solar plexus chakra will be completely activated, this person will take action. Definitely they are taking action, but the speed at which they want to take action, that is not there, because I'm telling you time, I'm telling your person is juggling time continuously. The card is coming of time, and in below that only the card of third chakra is coming. So definitely person is juggling time, and because of that they are not taking action at that speed the way they should take. And the victory card is coming. So definitely they will be victorious in this, and they will come out of this relationship, and you will be very happy when you will get to know that your person has come out of this relationship. You will be very, very happy, I'm telling you for sure. Going with the flow, the miser, definitely I feel that your person is definitely feeling a miser, because they are feeling the loss of love in their life when you are not there. That's for sure. That's why, because of that, your person is feeling miser or something like that, that they were misering giving you love, and they are feeling that loss for sure. So the universe is telling me you connect with the source, with the divine. Instead of connecting and thinking about your person, think more about the divine, and do your inner work and shadow work, and focus more on your spiritual side, you can say that. So because if you are suppressing, you are working on your shadow side, and you are suppressing your emotion, then don't suppress whatever is inside you, let them come out, because when you suppress your emotion, it comes out very badly at whenever it is you can say whenever you are triggered very badly, that comes out very badly. So don't suppress your emotion, work on your subconscious mind and remove that suppression, that whatever is there in your mind or in your heart or in your mind, anything, because the same thing are suppressing your person, the same thing is suppressing your person also. So work on your subconscious mind and remove your suppression, whatever suppression you have. Go with the flow. Universe is starting going with the flow. You have to go with the flow if you want to come into union. Don't suppress and don't wait, and don't be in a waiting energy. Keep moving in the life. Whatever you are doing, focus on yourself, focus on your self-love, self-worth. That is more important right now for you. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Hope you got some clarity what your person is thinking right now. Thank you all.